Hey friends, if you wish to enable or disable sniping tool in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, the sniping tool is enabled by default on your system, but there is no one switch to disable it. So there is a hack through the registry editor and I'll explain this. Search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open registry editor. Now go to HKey current user, software, Microsoft, Windows and tablet PC on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, we will create an entry named Disable Sniping Tool. Right click, new, DO 32-bit value, Disable Sniping Tool. Double click on it and till the value data is 0, sniping tool will be enabled. Change it to 1. OK, and then sniping tool will be disabled. Now, why is this important? Because when you are using third-party screenshot tools, the sniping tool keeps on interfering. You will press Ctrl plus print screen. It will open the sniping tool instead of that tool, and at times it will keep toggling between those two tools. So it is advisable to disable sniping tool in that case. Let's see if it is still working. You will be able to open it, but it won't actually work the same way. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.